It started a wonderful phase for you. You were the only uncapped player to make 400-500 runs every year for 3 years in a row.
Yeah.
And did you relate to Rohit in a sense? Because you're both from the same city, but also Rohit's career's been a little up and down as well. Yours was a little up and down. Rohit was always regarded as this wow player, so the expectations on Rohit were always higher than they were for normal people. Did you sort of relate a little bit there to Rohit?
That time, yes, I remember because I watched a lot of interviews of his as well, and he always says after 2013 when he started opening, when he started batting higher up the order, things completely changed for him. So in 2019, I remember I started thinking about it. That yes, in 2018 I opened, 2019 I batted at number three, higher up the order. Am I going on the same track? What he when he was in this position? Because I remember I follow him from a long time. 2010, when I made my first class debut, I was batting with him at that time as well. So I've been following him from long time, and I have been looking at him, looking at his career as well, how it has shaped from 2010 and till date. So yeah, I did relate to him for some time, but then later on I realized his game was completely different. My game was completely different. What I can bring to the team, what he brings to the team, it was completely different. But at one point, you're right. I started thinking that yes, it is shaping at the same way how it shaped for Rohit.
You talked about Gautam Gambhir, the captain. What about Rohit Sharma, the captain? Very different person, because you look at Rohit and the Mumbai Express, Bindas comes to mind. He seems as if, "Theek hai yaar, theek, it's only a game." Is that how he is inside as well?
Yeah, he's very relaxed during the game always, but mostly I feel he's very instinctive. As I've seen him, so whenever he's leaning aside and whenever I'm around, I used to see what he's doing in this situation. If there's any pressure situation, or even if we are doing well, I've seen both the phases. So I feel he's very instinctive, very relaxed on the field, and he's very clear in his mind, whatever he wants to do with the bowling changes, field changes, everything is very spot on, very instinctive, and very relaxed. Yeah, and Gotibai and Rohit Sharma are completely different on the field. Yes.
No, I mean, he's delivered 5 titles. There must be something about Rohit's captaincy that must cause a team. 5 titles in the 8 years that he's been captain is an incredible record.
Remarkable. I mean, 5 trophies for a franchise in 8 years. I think that's a great achievement. I'm sure he'll be very, very happy with and very proud. That every team member, all the management staff, they feel very proud the way he keeps team ahead of himself all the time. That's one very good quality he has, which really helps the team a lot and spreads a good message to all the players and the support staff.